Hello learners, welcome to Atya Studies. This is Atya and today I am going to explain one of the most important program, and that is matrix multiplication using Java language. So before going to do with Java, let's understand how exactly to do matrix multiplication in maths. Okay, so a lot of students don't know to solve matrix multiplication in paper using maths. So we should understand first in maths matrix multiplication so that you will write logic for multiplication as well. So I'll explain the matrix multiplication in notepad first. Let's suppose I have one matrix M1. It is 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay. And I have another matrix. Here I am taking 3 rows and 2 columns simply. So M1 values are, let's take 1, 2, M1 values are 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4, 5, 6. That's it. So here I am taking only 2 rows and 3 columns. Rows are 1, 2, 3 first row, 4, 5, 6 is second row. Columns are 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have M1 and M1s here. For M2, so I'll take 7, 8. It is of first row. 9, 10, second row. 11, 12, third row. Okay. 3 rows, 2 columns, right? So first row, second row, and third row. So how basically multiplication will happen? Let's understand first. So we have these rows, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. These rows should be multiplied with this column 7, 9, and 11. Okay. How it will happen? 1 cross 7. Okay. So 1 is multiplied with 7. 2 is multiplied with 9. 2 will multiply with 9. And 3 is multiplied with 11. 3 is multiplied with 11. So what is the, we need to add these 3 elements. Okay. Understand carefully. I was adding first row of elements, multiplying first row of elements with the first column of another matrix. 1 first 1 into 7, 2 into 9, 3 into 11. Okay. So I have multiplied first row with first column and this first row with another column. Okay. Here 1 into another column is 8. Okay. 2 into another column is 10. 3 into 12. Understand carefully. 1 into 7. These are all first row with first column, first row with second column. Okay. So row is same. We are multiplying first row only. That's why I am giving the next line values over here itself, because we are multiplying with first row only. First row with first column is over, first row with second column. Okay. So we need to add, addition should happen in between the multiplication. So we got first row. Here we are done with first row. We need to multiply the second row with the first column, second row with the second column. So 4 should multiply with 7 plus 5 multiply with 9 plus 6 multiply with 11. Okay, we are done with second row, first column. Okay, second row, second column value should be multiply now. Here 4 multiply with 8, then 5 multiply with 10, 5 multiply with 10 plus 6 multiply with 12, 6 multiply with 12. Okay, so I hope you understand the multiplication, the process basically. So how this will happen? We should multiplication is happen when number of columns of first matrix. What are the columns for first matrix? 3 columns, right? Number of columns for first matrix should be matched or same with the number of rows of the second matrix. Then only multiplication will happen. Okay, number of columns with first matrix should be same with number of rows of the second matrix. Okay, this is the first rule you should follow before going to the multiplication. Okay, so the resultant dimension, how we got here 2 cross 2 dimension over here, right? So 2 rows, 2 columns. So how it will happen? We resultant matrix dimension we can calculate here. Number of rows of the first matrix with the number of columns of the second matrix. Got it? Number of rows for the first matrix with the number of columns of the second matrix. Multiplication is happened by the number of columns and number of rows of the second matrix should be same, and the dimension will come number of rows of first matrix and number of columns of the second matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix will get. Okay, now let's start writing program. I hope you understand this logic. The program multiplication of two matrices, first row with 2 columns should be come in first row, second row multiplication with 2 columns. Okay, so if you calculate all this, so you will get few numbers in matrix. We'll see in program directly. Okay, here let's start writing the program. So I'll clear all the console over here. So I have my main and the main method and class over here. First I'll take 2 arrays. Okay, 2 arrays. First is m1. Okay, and I'm giving the direct values over here. First values are 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, so second 4 comma 5 comma 6. So in first matrix I only have 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, 2 rows and 3 columns. So this is my first array object creation. Here I am taking another array object creation, that is m2. M2 will have 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 rows. Okay, this is first row, second row and third row. Okay, 3 rows. Column should be 2. So I am giving elements 7 comma 8, 9 comma 10, 11 comma 12. So I have created second object as well. but the resultant object should be there, right? We need to create resultant object as well here. So result matrix is equal to, okay, int array. So here we need 2 cross 2 matrix, right? So I'm giving 2 rows and 2 columns over here. So I'm creating an object here, right? So I need to use new keyword. So we have created 3 arrays total. So we need to do multiplication over here. First, before going to multiplication, I am giving println statement here. So multiplication of 2 matrix R. Okay, we'll do logic. So int I is equal 0, I less than 2, because resultant matrix contain only 2 by 2, 2 cross 2 dimension. Okay, so our resultant matrix value should be 2 cross 2 only. That's why I'm giving rows should be 2 and column should be 2. For int j is equal to 0, j less than 2, j plus plus. Okay, initially what I'll do, I will give the first index position value is equal to 0. Okay, initially this value should be 0 because we are adding, right? What we are doing here, we are adding each and element right here. So initially I will take 0, later we will add each and every value. For that we need to take another loop. Why? Because here, see, look at the concept very well here. First, this is my row value. Row value is same. 1 should be multiplied with 7. Row value is 0th position only, right? It is 0th position values only I am taking. 0th position values are 1, 2, 3. But position is 0 only. Here also column position is 0 only. But we are taking 7, 9, 11. Means at row position and at column position we are increasing one value towards the right. Okay, towards the bottom here, towards the right over here. So our row value is same, but we are increasing one value. So for that iteration I am taking one another loop. For int k is equal to 0, k less than 3. Why I am taking 3 here? Because see, we are doing 3 increments. Means we don't have only 2. 1, 2. 1 means we have 3 numbers over here, right? 0, first, 2. So it will consider 0th position, first position and second position. For that I'll take, it should be, loop should be iterate up to 3, k plus plus. Now result position ith and jth position value should be add with ith and jth position value should be add with first array m1 of I, row is same, we are not changing anything in row, 0th row only, but at kth position value should be multiplied with second matrix. We are taking first matrix row, second matrix column, right? Second matrix, first k and j. We are adding, okay, but where we are storing? We are storing in result of ith and jth position only. We are storing ith and jth position only here. That's it. This is the logic you need to understand well. See, first array of row is multiplying with second array of column. But why we are taking k? It is moving forward, right? So first position I and kth position is also 0. At that position element it should be pick, and next second array of 0th position and column 1. So it will pick that one. So here we got result. So this result should be print system dot out dot println. Okay, result I and j by giving some space. So out of the loop, by printing each and every row, I am giving, going to the next line. That's it. Okay, we'll debug the program. So 58 and 39, right? So here it is coming to the next line, right? 58, 64, 139. See, 58, 64, 139, 154. Okay. So let's understand the logic over here. So first I value is equal to 0. Okay, so the loop will continue with the 0th row only. Then column is also 0, j is also 0. The loop will continue for row position 0, column position 0. Initially result of 0 position I and 0 position j, that is equal to 0. Now for k is equal 0, k less than 3, k plus, right? So k value is also initially 0 only. So k is equal to 0 only. So k will repeat it 3 times. It is 0th position, first position, second position. Okay. So here result of ith and jth position means it's 0th position. First we have two-dimensional array, right? 0 position and first position. Later 0 position and first position. So we have 0th position and first position. What I mean to say, we have 0th column and first column, right? So this is 0th row. Let's tab over here. So this is column, 0th column and first column. Here 0th row and first row. Initially the value for 0 to 0 position is 0. Okay, k value is 0, right? For we have taken 0 plus m1 0th position, m1 of first array of column row position is 0, and at columns position we are taking k value, which means it will pick first value. First value is 1, right? So 1 into m2 position of k value means it row is 0, m2 of row is 0. Okay, and column position is also 0. So 7. So 1 cross 7. 1 cross 7. Okay, 1 cross 7. That will add to this. So here we'll get 7. Okay, what we'll get? Here we'll get 7. Then k values increase now. 7 plus k value is increased now. So m1 of 0, yes, 0th position, but k value is increased to first position. So we are picking from first array. Row is 0, but at column position it will move to the right side first position. So it will take 2. So 2 cross, okay, 2 cross. At second array, k is row, right? At rowth position k value is 1 now. So it will go to the next row. at row M2 next to row 9. So 9 into 9 row is first position, column it is picking, j value remains same, right? So it will pick 9. Okay, so 2 cross 9 18 plus 7 25, it will take 25, result will store 25 plus again k values increase to 2. Next it becomes 2. So m1 first array, row is 0, row remains same, but k value is moved to the next position, at column position k value is 2, so it will be 0 first 2, so it will pick 3. Okay, 3, right? 3 cross its second array, k value is moved to k, we are taking k at row position, right? For row position value is now what? 0 1 2, 2 second position, so m2 of 0 1 2 11, 11, and column is also 0, column is not changed, j value is not changed, so that means 11. So 33 plus 25 8 58. Okay, we got 58. Similarly the loop will continue. You will analyze, you do pen and paper, please analyze this program. Okay, you will get the output, exact output. So this is the multiplication of two arrays. I hope you understand the video. Please you have any doubt, please let me know. I will feel happy to help you. Thank you for watching the video till the end.